Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back to Quicksit Insights. Guys, today we're going to be diving into the fascinating world of machine learning and understand its core concepts. So we're going to talk about what machine learning is, why it is needed, how do machines learn, and what are the different techniques to train the machines available. All right, let's crack on. Let's understand what is machine learning. So guys, machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence. Let me enable the pointer here. Okay. So it's a subfield of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn without being explicitly programmed. So instead of manual instructions, these systems analyze data to find patterns and make decisions. So patterns, and through that it makes decisions. Now ML, it really lives and thrives on high quality data. So the high quality data is fed into the algorithms to identify patterns and make the predictions on the new data. Now, ML finds its applications in areas like image recognition, speech processing, language translation, recommender systems, etc. Let's understand, why do we need machine learning in the first place? So why it is needed? Okay. So guys, machine learning was introduced to fix issues from the traditional programming. Let's call it TB, traditional programming. Now, what were the issues in the traditional planning? The traditional planning, guys, it followed a very structured approach where developers could write explicit code or the instructions to handle specific tasks. So it was manual. For every task, you had to write a code. Now, TP worked great for predictable scenarios such as payroll processing, managing inventory, traffic control system, etc. However, this TP, it actually failed at solving the complex problems. Okay, and it also had issues handling large amount of data or a big data. So the big question really was, how do we fix problems with no clear rules? Now, this is where ML thrives. It learns from data instead of following fixed rules, and it helps businesses make predictions and automate tasks and find patterns that would be so difficult to code. And this is where the ML really thrives. Now let's understand, what are the different machine learning techniques available. How does a machine really learns, and what are the different learning mechanisms available? So the first one is the supervised learning. This is where the model gets trained on the labeled data set. Let me change the color. So whenever you think about supervised learning, think of labeled data sets, DSS data sets. Okay. So the labeled data sets, it's have both inputs and the output parameters. Classification and regression are the two main categories of supervised learning. So classification and regression. Now, where does the supervised learning gets used? It gets used in areas like NLP, speech recognition, recommender system, predictive analysis, etc. Then the second type of learning is unsupervised learning. So whenever you think of a term unsupervised, think of unlabeled data. Okay. So this is where the algorithm unlabeled. Okay. Right. So this is where the algorithm discovers patterns and relationships using unlabeled data. It can be used for various purposes such as data exploration, visualization, etc. Clustering and association are the two main categories of unsupervised learning. And the most common applications of unsupervised learning is anomaly detection, image segmentation, customer behavior analysis, etc., to name a few out of many. Then the last type of learning is the reinforced learning. So reinforced learning. Now this is where the model interacts with the environment by producing actions and discovering errors and learning through it. It follows a trial, error, and experiment approach. Trial, error, and experiment approach, where the wins are rewarded and incorrect things are penalized, and that's how machine learns. All right, so guys, that's a wrap for today. If this video helped you understand machine learning better, hit that subscribe button for more content like this. And if you find it valuable, hit that like button as well and share it with others who might benefit from such videos. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye for now.